Welcome. In this video, we're going to tackle a frustrating issue that many Snapchat users encounter: when the sound on your video snaps isn't working. This can be really annoying, especially if you're trying to share fun moments with friends. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue quickly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your device volume. First things first, make sure your device isn't on silent mode and that the volume is turned up. Sometimes it's the simplest things that we overlook. Step 2. Check app permissions. Next, go to your phone's settings and find Snapchat. Ensure that it has permission to access the microphone. Without this permission, you won't be able to capture sound in your videos. Step 3. Turn off Bluetooth. If you're using any Bluetooth devices, try turning them off. Sometimes, these can interfere with the sound, preventing it from playing through your phone's speakers. Step 4. Restart your device. Another quick fix is to restart your phone. This can often resolve minor app issues and refresh your system, making everything work more smoothly. Step 5. Update or reinstall Snapchat. Ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. If you're experiencing ongoing issues, consider uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. This can fix any bugs that might be causing sound problems. Step 6. Clear Snapchat cache. Go to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon for settings, scroll down and select Clear Cache. This helps remove any temporary files that could be interfering with the app's performance. Step 7. Check for Snapchat outages. Lastly, visit a site like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages affecting Snapchat. If there's a server issue, you may just need to wait for it to be resolved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the sound issue with your Snapchat videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.